there, it's Kim Jade again, and I'm so excited to share with you my latest listing here in the Copper Ridge community of San Ramon. Picture this, you'll be living in a fabulous top floor end unit with vaulted ceilings and lots of windows offering so much natural light. You're also in one of the best locations right by the pool and the tennis courts. You'll have your own garage and the convenience of a washer dryer right in the unit. Talk about ease and comfort. Plus, enjoy the added security and peace of mind with a gated entrance. Come and see why this should be your home. If you want to schedule a viewing, reach out to me. I'd love to show you around. Welcome home.